Once you have opened a full-text article, you may want to save a citation, email the info to yourself, or use a citation manager. To copy a citation of the article, simply click the citation icon in the Tools section and select the appropriate citation style. You can then copy the citation. To email the citation information, click the envelope icon in the Tools section and enter your email address in the appropriate field. Please know that this email will not have a formatted citation, but instead all of the information needed to create one, as well as a link back to the record. If you would like to copy and paste the URL of the record page, click the permalink icon in the Tools section. This will open the permanent URL, which will always link back to the article. You can use the print icon to print the record page information, which includes the citation information. The Export RIS, EasyBib, Mendeley, and Export BibText icons let you export the citation to a citation manager, such as Mendeley, Zotero, or other citation tools.